friends, welcome to your channel. This is Pratyasa Priyadasani and let's enter into the video. Today we are going to read about the chapter 4, that is from the diary of Anne Frank. This is a story of a young girl named Anne Frank. The story is based on her diary. Anne is a Jewish girl who has to go into hiding during World War due to avoid the Nazis. The leader of Nazis was Hitler, and he always hated Jewish people. He used to take them to concentration camps and used to torture them. So the Jewish people, in order to secure themselves, used to hide themselves from the Nazis people. In this story, Anne shares her experience when she is depressed. This chapter is an extract from the diary of a young girl by Anne Frank. A 13-year-old schoolgirl, Anne Frank, was under some depression and despair. Here the meaning of despair is hopeless. She was very hopeless and was under some depression. She thought of the saying that paper has more patience than people. Then she started writing a diary, but she was in need of a real friend who could be more than a diary. The writer explains that no one believed that the girl was alone in the world because she was actually not alone. She had her loving parents, a sister, and 30 other people. She had a decent family except her one true friend. With friends, one can have a good time. We can talk of ordinary things every day, but we cannot get closer. Even we cannot confide in one another. Here the meaning of confide is telling someone about one's secret or private matter while trusting them not to repeat it to anyone. Okay. Since the writer facts cannot be changed, Anne started writing the diary. That was her everlasting friend, and she called that friend as Kitty. Means he named the diary as Kitty. Anne started writing the diary. That was her everlasting friend. Okay. Anne wrote that her father was the most adorable person. At the age of 36, he got married to Anne's mother, and his mother's name was Edith. In 1926, her sister Margot was born. Okay, you have to remember the following dates mentioned in the story as questions are asked based on this. Okay. In 1926, her sister Margot was born. Then she was born, means Anne was born on 12th June 1929, 3 years after her sister was born. Okay. They lived in Germany. In 1933, her father emigrated to Holland, means they went to Holland. She, along with Margot, went to Aachen to stay with their grandmother. By December, both the sisters went to Holland, where her father was living. There, she started studying at the Montessori Nursery School. When she was in 6th class, Mr. Couperus was her headmistress. At the end of the year, there was a farewell function. The separation from the headmistress was full of tears. Anne loved her grandmother very much. She fell ill, means Anne's grandmother fell ill in the summer of 1941. She had an operation, but she died in January 1942. After 1 year of treatment, she died. The grandmother's death was all the more troublesome. At Anne's birthday celebration, a separate candle was lit for grandmother. In her diary, Anne wrote that all the 4 members were doing well. She was much dedicated to her diary. This event was written by Anne on 20th of June 1942. That was on Saturday. Okay. In her diary, Anne made a mention of her school experience. The complete class was nervous whether they will be promoted to the next standard or not. Some of the students had made bets and staked all their savings regarding that they will pass or not. Regarding her, They were declaring pass, but Anne was not sure of maths. Means all the students were saying that Anne would pass, but Anne was not confident as he was not done good in maths. All had been telling one another not to lose heart. There were 9 teachers. Mr. Casing taught maths. Mr. Casing remained annoyed with Anne because of her talkative nature. So he had given her some extra work to write an essay on the topic a chatterbox. After the homework, Anne started thinking on the essay. An idea flashed in her mind. She wrote that talking is a student's trait and I would do my best to control it. But I won't be able to cure this habit since my mother is also talkative. So, moving from the inherited trait cannot be possible. On reading her arguments, Mr. Casing had a good laugh. Then the teacher gave her another essay on the topic an incorrigible chatterbox. It was a sort of punishment for Anne for talking in class. At this topic, the whole class roared. Anne too laughed. Though Anne tried for this essay, but her friend Sunny became ready to help her. In a way, the teacher was playing a joke on her, but in the other words, it was a joke on him. So Anne wrote this essay like a poem. This poem stated that there was a mother duck and a father swan with 3 ducklings. The ducklings were beaten to death by the father since they quacked too much. It was Anne's good luck that the teacher took it in the right way. He read the poem, gave his own comments. After that, Anne was allowed to talk and no extra work was given. Since then, Mr. Casing too started making jokes. Okay, we are finished with the chapters. What I have told that you have to remember those dates mentioned in the chapter as questions are asked based on this. So I am repeating those dates. In 1926, her sister Margot was born. Okay, and Anne was born after 3 years of Margot, and the date was 12th June 1929. And in 1923, her father means Anne's father went to Holland. In 1942, her grandmother died. And this whole event that we read was written by Anne on 20th of June 1942. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. And I want a suggestion from you whether I should continue the explanation of all the English lessons in Hindi language or in English. Please comment below. And thank you. Bye bye.